morning. My name is Zuzana Kierulfova, and I'm from Slovakia, from organization ArTur, which means it's a shortcut for sustainable architecture. And Anna?
Hello, my name is Anna and Antunes. I'm from Portugal. I'm representing Centro da Terra. It's an association that works with earth construction. Mostly we have a lot of people that is engaged with earth construction. So that is mostly what the CDT works on. And we come here to make a small introduction. Well, everyone is entering, okay, and talk a little bit about our group.
Yes, and also about our organizations. Although we are part of EBE, European Build Europe, Earthbuilding Europe, and we meet 4 times a year, every quarter of a year. But we don't have a possibility to chat like this, like we have opportunity this morning. So I would like to ask Anna to say a little bit more about what you are doing. Are you doing some courses or raising of an awareness?
Yeah, thank you, Zuzana. So this group, Earthbuilding Europe, it's really good because it helps us be in touch with each other, understand what each other is working on. And so what Centro that has been done is, last year was a rough year, of course, not very much happened, but it was good to understand that the society is changing. So now we're starting to feel the difference. And Centro Terra is working on that also, with these changes, not only on the way everyone is looking at earth construction, because now everyone is sensitive, more sensitive, at least we feel like, more sensitive to this thing about ecology and how much construction behavior changes the way the environment is in need of help. Yeah. So more and more people are looking for earth construction. And so here in Portugal, that is, we can feel it. People are looking for that. So Centro da Terra helps this, making people in touch with each other, from the public, with the professionals, and with the people that are studying all the characteristics and how to work with earth construction. So the courses and the workshops are very important, more and more. Of course, online is how everything is working now, mostly. When we are used to work on site with the earth and feeling the earth, that is the biggest difference. But I think it's going very well. So it's a big change, I think, for everyone.
Yes, I can say that actually our first course, which is like in a present form. So we have 7 participants because we cannot have more, but we started now again. But I found out that during this COVID time, there is possibility to have some courses which don't require practical work online. And we can have like triple more participants, which is an advantage.
Yes.
And also we started, as we do also raising of awareness, we started like evening presentations every Tuesday for free, and it got popular. So we can see that we have more reach to people. So from now on, we can combine these 2 things, present form and also online form, because people got used to it. So now it's possible.
And this thing about working on online, you see how much people are interested in understanding what earth is, what is this material and how it works. So understanding what are the characteristics and making the connection between how earth is good for health our environment inside our houses and outside. So more and more people are looking for this. It's really interesting.
Yeah, and actually in our country now we found out that we try to do some poll in schools, vocational schools, and we found out that teachers are interested in these topics. In earth building, also using straw and sustainable building. So we are now preparing material so that teachers could use it, because they are free to use a part of the, they can create their own curriculum, like 20%. So it's not only state dictated.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's good that this process of rethinking is starting.
Yeah, and one of the things that we feel here is, the schools are getting more and more interested. We have more and more research within the universities. But one thing is really important, because the professionals are coming to us also, wanting to learn with this. This last year's, the consulting was the thing. I've been doing a lot of consulting, but now I have the orders of architecture and the orders of engineers coming to Centro that they're asking for courses, so the professionals learn how to work with this. So now they're getting more and more interested, which is really important.
Yeah.
There's a lack here, and I think Zuzana, you have the same thing, is the legislations and the norms and the guides, how to work within the laws that you have in each country.
Yeah, so we have problems with this because we still don't have any legislation for earth building. So it's now it's maybe more, we need it more than ever, but we have been trying to write technical normative information already for 8 years, but we don't have any funds. We just need to, I think we are just missing some structural data for structural engineers, how to calculate, otherwise it's finished. But I think in this, our partners from Czech Republic, they are trying to also to create a cooperation of more countries. So I think cooperation is more needed so that we could work faster and with bigger impact.
That's why it's so important to be within this group. Earthbuild Europe is really important to make these connections and be able to work with each other and learn with each other, because we have a lot of countries that already have this work, already made their own choices and how to go and make their path. So there's a lot to learn with each other. So this group is important to this kind of connections.
Yes, and also somebody already has something ready, and we can help each other with giving, sharing. So yes, it is great that we could connect like this, and also it's very good that we have almost like personal relationship, that it's not just a group of people we don't know, but we are trying to get to know each other, which is great that we have this possibility.
Today it will be a great day for everyone.
Yes.
Thanks so much, guys. I think that sounded like a nice place to finish up for now. So thanks very much. I hope we see you in the chat box for the rest of the day, getting involved. So I just wanted to say welcome to everyone. My name's Morgan. I've just been helping Earthbuild UK and Ireland organise this event. So I just wanted to give you a little bit of tech support and let you know a few things like that, admin stuff. So all of the events today will be happening here on the stage. So you're in the right place. Just stay here throughout the day. I mean, you can leave for a cup of tea or whatever if you want. But yeah, everything will be happening on here except the very last event. So you're in the right place. The schedule's being updated throughout the day. So the left-hand side, the column that says reception stage and networking. If you click reception, you can see the schedule will be being updated throughout the day. So you should be able to, soon enough, you'll be able to see what's happening when. But you can also follow a link that I've added on the chat that I'll add again, which is to the Earthbuild UK and Ireland website. And we've got a timeline in there. And then the main thing is just if your internet seems to not be working properly, or if anyone freezes, any of the presentations throughout the day freeze, you can click the refresh button that's on your browser. If that doesn't work, then close the whole browser and open it up again. And if that doesn't work, make sure you're using Google Chrome. That's kind of generally the best browser for this application. So if you're not using it already and those other things aren't working, then do that. And if that's still not working, then you can private message me, or you can message Robin Britton, who's said something in the chat just now, I think, so you'll be able to see him. So the way you private message is where this chat is, where everyone's saying good morning. There it says chat, polls, people, and Q&A. Now, if you click where it says people, then you can search anyone and you can send them a private message. Okay, so you can just search Robin Britton and you can send him a message and tell him what the problem is, and hopefully we can get you sorted. But I'm sure it's all going to run perfectly smoothly. Mm-hmm. Very much, Anna and Zuzana. Have you got anything final to say before we get started?
Yeah, I hope everything works and everyone will be very happy with all this conversation. It will be a great learning for everyone.
Yes, enjoy the day and this possibility.
Yeah.
All right. Yes, we'll be back in just a couple of minutes then with the first discussion. Thanks, guys.
Bye.